Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Here we have a 2006 on the Goldwing Trike. This trike is the champion trike. Bike is white in color. Tires are decent on this bike, front and back. Clear windscreen. Does have some very light airbrushing. It's almost like they're ghost flames. You can see them pretty good in the sun here. Bike's beautiful though. Got the painted cowl fairing to match. Has the white running boards there. There's a little bit more of the ghost flames. They're light blue, so they're really nice. Seat's in great shape. Passenger armrest there, and the rider's backrest. Has these nice air vents. The controls, AM/FM radio, CB, cruise, the usual things on the Goldwing here. Also has the inner dash trim here that's also painted to match. The trike kit's in good shape. Little nick right there that has been touched up at some point. Nothing major. The rear tires are decent. I'd say they're about 30% left. They're car tires, so they will last a long time. Luggage rack up here. Again, bike's in good shape. There's some more of the ghost flames there. They actually look really nice. Give it a little bit of character. Heel toe shifter. I'm gonna go ahead and start this bike. 55,600 miles. 55,600 miles. Missing the little insert here. Radio works well. Bike runs great. Has some lights right around here and also down here. These light up. Also has some LEDs underneath. Those are lit up as well as these. It's really hard to see out here in the sun, but it definitely has some extra lights on it. Bike's in great shape, 2006 Goldwing. This is a champion trike kit. If you guys got questions about getting this bike, getting it shipped, we can certainly help with that. Some more lights in there. Certainly help with that. We have discounted shipping rates available starting at $300, and it goes up from there depending on your location. Other option is you can fly into Tampa Bay International. We'll pick you up and you can ride it home. Bike's been serviced and it's ready to roll. We're down here in Tampa, Florida. Our website is www.myridepro.com, and our phone number is 813-615-1700. 813-615-1700. Check out our website if you want to see some other trikes. We do have several. Any questions, please give us a call. And as always, thanks for watching.